In the quietest moments, I often ponder what it means to be cursed with untruths, said Lady Eleanor, her eyes glistening like dewdrops on a morning rose. She was a woman of unparalleled beauty, a vision of grace and elegance that enchanted all who beheld her. Her voice, like a melodious bird, could captivate the hearts of even the coldest souls. Yet, there was a darkness that overshadowed her radiance, a curse that had befallen her in her youth. Lady Eleanor could not utter a single word of truth, no matter how desperately she yearned to speak honestly. Her every utterance was bound by this malevolent spell, casting a shadow on her life and causing untold sorrow. One fateful afternoon, as Lady Eleanor strolled through the gardens of her ancestral estate, she encountered a wandering minstrel named William. His soulful ballads and heartfelt lyrics had the power to touch the very depths of one's being. Their eyes met, and an unspoken understanding passed between them. "Fair lady," William said, bowing deeply, "your beauty is rivaled only by the enchanting melody of your voice. Might I have the honor of hearing you sing?" Lady Eleanor, her heart aching to connect with another soul, nodded in agreement. She took a deep breath, and a mournful tune spilled forth from her lips. The words of the song, while beautiful, were laced with deceit, and her eyes betrayed the anguish she felt within. William listened with rapt attention, his heart moved by the haunting melody. When the song came to an end, he applauded with genuine admiration, not suspecting the curse that bound Lady Eleanor's words. "Your voice is a gift from the heavens," he declared, "but I sense a deep sadness in your song. What troubles you, fair lady?" Lady Eleanor's eyes welled up with tears, and she longed to confide in this stranger who had touched her heart. Yet, the curse held her tongue, and she replied with a lie, "I am but a mere custodian of the garden, tending to the flowers and the birds. There is no sorrow in my heart." William, though moved by her words, could not shake the feeling that there was more to Lady Eleanor's story than met the eye. He resolved to spend more time with her, hoping to unravel the mystery of her sadness. As the days turned into weeks, Lady Eleanor and William became inseparable. They walked through the gardens, their hearts entwined, and shared their hopes and dreams. Lady Eleanor yearned to tell William the truth about her curse, to free herself from the shackles of falsehood, but the words never came. One evening, as they sat beneath a moonlit sky, William gazed into her eyes and said, "I love you, Lady Eleanor, with a love truer than the brightest star in the heavens." Lady Eleanor's heart soared at his declaration, and she longed to confess her love in return. But the curse held her captive, and she could only respond with another lie, "I love you too, my dear William, with a love that knows no bounds." William took her hand and kissed it, blissfully unaware of the curse that bound her words. And in that moment, under the watchful gaze of the moon and the stars, they vowed to spend their lives together, their love strong enough to endure the weight of Lady Eleanor's unending falsehoods. As the years passed, Lady Eleanor and William found solace in their love, a love that transcended words and truths. They came to understand that sometimes, the heart can speak a language more profound than any words, and that even in the shadow of a curse, love could still flourish like a delicate flower in the garden of their hearts.